Admins and superadmins can create custom metrics in advanced analytics settings, enabling you to measure your organization's performance based on its own unique objectives. Within Settings, head to the Custom Metrics dashboard. Here, you'll see existing custom metrics or be prompted to create a new one. Inside the custom metric generator, you can adjust the options to make a metric that fits your needs. Let's say you want to track your followers across Facebook and Instagram combined. Start by naming the metric, giving it a clear description to let your team know what it covers, and then add a custom measurement unit for extra context. Next, set the metric as either post or page level. Post level tracks metrics for content posted in a specific date range. Page level tracks all metrics on a social media page over time. Since we are measuring followers, we'll select page level. Now it's time to decide how you want your data to be collected and presented. Set how you want your custom metrics formula to be totaled, and if you want the final number to be presented as a number or a percentage. Once that's done, start building your metric formula. You'll start with 4 options: metric, number, group, and divide. Metric lets you search for platform-specific metrics to add to your custom formula. Number lets you add additional values to be calculated in your formula. Group puts 2 metrics in brackets, assigning them to be calculated first. And divide lets you divide 2 or more metrics. Use operators to adjust how your formula is being calculated. Experiment with different combinations to create the best metrics for your needs. For example, this formula will calculate your engagement rate across Facebook. This one will automatically calculate your click-through rate on LinkedIn. And here, we'll see the total follower count on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. If you need to, delete any metrics or values. Once you're happy with your formula, create the metric. Now you'll see your new metric in the custom metric list, where you can edit and delete your metrics. These metrics can be used and edited by anyone in your organization with admin or reporting access. Keep in mind that cross-platform combined metrics, like the Facebook and Instagram followers metric we created earlier, can only be used in reports. But single-platform custom metrics, like Facebook comments, can be used elsewhere in advanced analytics. To use your custom metric in a report, find the custom metric you want to add. Then, select the More Info button to give you or your team a refresher on what your custom metric covers.